Well, hello. Welcome back to my channel. So, you see the gear I have on. Good vibes. Yeah. Hoodie. Basically, what I'm saying is, we getting ready to go to the gym. However, just because we getting ready to go to the gym, don't mean we got to go in there looking busted in the face. Busted in the face. I mean, you go in there sometimes and you see people, you be like, oh my God, just because you working out don't mean you got to look rough. You do not. You still can look good, but then work out too. So that's what we're going to concentrate on today. Makeup for the gym. I know back in the day, they used to say, oh, don't wear any makeup when you work out. But makeup has come a long way since then. And there are things that you can put on your face to buffer it, seep it into your pores. We have a lot of products now that help exfoliate out of the pores and things of that nature. So you can put a little makeup on to make yourself presentable for when you go to the gym. So I just put on my primer, Becca. Yeah, I'm running a little low on this. But that's what I just put on. And then I'm going to start with a little bit of my Morphe. And that's going to be around the eye, chin area. My Morphe. And again, not a whole lot, just a little bit. Because we are going to work out. However, we don't have to go in there looking busted. Take my brush. Blend that in around the eyes. Not for nothing, but you know, you go in there. It's like presenting yourself wherever you go. You always want to put your best foot forward, look at your best. And I know everybody's like, oh, well, you going in there to work out. That should be your main concentration. True that. I'm not knocking that one little bit. That should be your main focus. However, you know, just for the sake of other people, and even if you don't want to do it for yourself, but nobody wants to see anybody looking. I'm sorry, but maybe I'm going off on a tangent here, but you still want to see people looking good as they getting their workout in. Like, yeah, I see you. I see you getting it in. Just like with your attire. Just because you're going to work out doesn't mean you need to put on an old raggedy looking t-shirt and some old busted up looking sweatpants and sneakers all ran over and stuff like that because, oh, I'm just working out. No. No. You go in there with your gear. You matching. You know. Like me for right now, I got my little pink workout bra on. Sports bra. I got the pink and white and gray vibes. I got the gray sweatpants. But basically what I'm saying is I'm going in there with my workout gear, but I'm looking presentable. And that's all I'm saying. When we go into the gym, we don't have to have on no heavy makeup, but you want to look presentable. Oh my goodness, sometimes you see some stuff and you be like, why did they even come out the house? You might as well have turned around and went back in. But anyway, we're not talking about them. We talk about how we gonna do it. How we gonna do it when we get up in the gym. So we put, oh, I didn't even tell you the other thing I use. So I put my Morphe on in light area. I put my NYX, can you see it? My NYX Total Control in the other areas. Blended all that in. Now we're going to line the eyes. I mean, this is just a simple makeup. Just a little bit to keep everything coverage good. We're going to line the brows. Y'all know how I do when I start doing stuff around my eyes. I get silent. I have to concentrate. I want to get it right first time round. You know what I'm saying? I had to move some of my equipment from the last time I filmed, and when I set it back up today, I don't think I set it up in the same way. So I'm gonna have to come back and work on that. Okay, so we got our eyebrows done. Again, very simple, very, very, very simple.